Introducing the Heritage HD hydraulic chute, built heavy duty with every small feature in mind, no corners cut, function on the cow side as well as user friendly on the operator side. Lots of noise deadening, noise reducing features. Every access gate and door you can imagine. Comes with blinders. Palpation gates on both sides of the chute. Rebar floor. High visibility through the tailgate. Icing on the cake is the electric control valve. This is the feature that sets the Heritage HD apart from everything else. Bottom squeeze and top squeeze operate separately with both hoses and cylinders out of sight encased in the frame. Tailgate, headgate, and squeeze all roll on solid metal rods. Back of the chute has chains to connect to your alley. Fork pockets, medicine hooks, and scale mounting brackets with an electric power unit. Come see the Heritage HD.